pressure change. Oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez. Okay, I have my hand on the door. I guess anyone's coming in. Oh yeah, the temperature just dropped. Look at that. I think that's the flag flapping. Oh, I felt rain. I feel rain. That means it could hail soon. Yeah, it's raining. Inside now. I think there's a tornado to the east. Yeah. Okay.
Here it comes.
Tornado?
I saw, it's hard to see. It's like almost just due east right now. It came all the way from over there. Be careful. And I saw the wall cloud and I saw this big old thing drop down.
I think it was a shelf cloud, actually.
Whatever it was, it went up forever and it's like right behind that chimney now. But it started all the way over here. That chimney? Yeah, and it came all the way around. I don't know.
Oh, wait. I think there is a funnel cloud.
Yeah, I watched it this whole, and it only took like 5 minutes for it to travel that whole way. Can you see it? I wish I could have got your attention sooner. And then the wind picked up and kind of scared me.
Yeah, that was the shelf cloud coming.
Yeah.
Wow.
Come on. Did something just hit you?
No.
Oh.
Something did. Like dust
something
flew in my
small.
face. Wow.
Alright.
The temperature dropped.
Yeah. A little bit. Open that.
There's some rain.
Yeah, whoa. Big flash.
Might start hailing soon.
Anyway, I think that was a tornado, and now it's kind of just plopped right back there because it came this whole way and then went over, and when it wrapped around to
This storm definitely has enough energy for a tornado.
yeah, when it wrapped around to the east, it was that's when the wind picked up like that. Now there's 2 severe alerts.
Rain.
Well, it still says tornado watch, not tornado warning.
Oh,
I hear
it's hailing.
coming.
No.
Well, you can watch it. You have a little sneaky
Here it comes.
I don't think so. Is it wet? Hey!
I can't see very well. Alright.
Some storms.
Wow. Oh, the wind. Whoa. Here. I want to go in the stairwell area.
It's pretty bad now.
I want to go in
Oh, it's soaked over here.
Where are you going?
the stairwell area. Oh man, the light's on in here. Oh yep, there's hail. Oh geez, it came in here. Yeah, that's a good thing I'm not out there right now. Wow, oh, those are big. Oh, geez. Ow. Yeah, oh, it got me. Yeah, look at that. Holy cow. Here, I'm gonna go. The wind's going that way. It's gonna hit me in the leg. Ow. Hit me in the arm. Ow. Whoa, that was loud. Oh. Yeah, this is the most intense storm I've ever been in. I'm gonna go back to the balcony.